Sawubona mfundi, igama lami nguQueen. Today I am going to teach you how words that start with is change when they become plural in Ndebele. Alright, so we have a lot of plurals in Ndebele, but today we're going to be focusing on words that start with is. Alright, let's get started. So firstly we have isihlalo. Isihlalo, that's a chair. So it's going to change to izihlalo. Okay. And then we have isandla. That's a hand. It's going to change to izandla. All right. Then we have isicathulo. That's a shoe. It's going to change to izicathulo. Okay. Then we have isibongo. That's a surname. It's going to change to izibongo. Okay. Do you see how easy it is? All right. Then we have isitsha. Can you guess what it means? All right. That's a plate, right? And then it's going to change to izitsha. All right. And then we have isihlahla. All right. Isihlahla, that's a tree. Can you guess what the plural of isihlahla is? Okay. Izihlahla, right? You got it right. Okay, then we have isinkwa. Isinkwa, that's bread. It's going to change to izinkwa. All right. And then we have isifundo. Can you guess the plural of isifundo? Okay, it's izifundo, right? It means lessons, okay? All right. Then we have isikolo. What do you think it means? School, right? Okay, so it's going to change to izikolo. All right. Then we have isitho. Isitho, that's a body part. Okay. We use it when referring to one body part. Okay. So now we want to say many. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to say izitho. Right. Okay. Then we have isigqoko. Isigqoko, we use it when referring to one dress. All right. But now we want to talk about many dresses. All right. Then we're going to say izigqoko. Okay. All right. Then we have isibuko. That's a mirror, right? Then we're going to say izibuko. All right. That's the plural. Okay. Then we have isilwane. So if you want to say, I see many lions, what would you say? Ngibona izilwane, right? Izilwane. Okay. Then we have isitulo. That's a chair. Then if you want to say, I see many chairs, you would say ngibona izitulo, right? Those are the plurals that I have for you today. So we're going to learn more plurals in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.